Hello practicer, welcome to my Chinese class. I'm your Chinese coach Ke. In my lessons, you will be assisted and accompanied to practice Mandarin Chinese from a very beginner level to an expert level. Meanwhile, you will be learning how to write Chinese characters and how to use pinyin input method to input Chinese character on your computer and your mobile phone. Alright, this video is starter level, lesson 1. You will be grasping 150 most commonly used words as you finish this level, and then you will be able to pass HSK test level 1. Well, let's start. Let me show you how to say hello in Chinese. You have probably heard some Chinese guy said 你好 to another one, right? Yes, 你好 or 你好吗 are standard greeting. 你 means you. 你 means you. 好 means good, well, or fine. Ma is a modal particle which expresses in doubt. Okay? So 你好 sounds like hello, hi, or hey there. When, for example, when you are walking down the street, you come across somebody you don't know. So you just want to say hi there to her or to him. You just say 你好, 你好, wave to him, right? As a response, he or she should answer 你好 as well, like 你好啊, 你好. Okay? Let's speak along with me. 你好, 你好, 好, 你好, 你好. Okay? 你好. Is that easy? 你好吗 is exactly the same to how are you. But in fact, in daily communication, rare people would say 你好吗 as it sounds too formal and a bit stiff. So just use 你好 or 你好啊. 你好啊 I is a modal particle. 你好, 你好啊. Please notice that you should never directly translate English to Chinese or Chinese to English and never learn words by rote, because these languages, their character sequence are different, maybe different. Well, in the beginning it seems a little bit daunting, right? But don't worry, I will help you. Practice these words again and again until you form a habit. Okay? Attention please, form a habit is the most effective way to learn Chinese. Just try to make it your own thing. Okay? Apart from 你好, there are still other ways to express greeting. In English, nice to meet you, good to see you, and so on are words for the first meet, right? In Chinese, you can say 很高兴认识你, 很高兴认识你, or 认识你很高兴. The same. 很高兴认识你. 很 means very. 很 very. 高兴 happy, glad means happy, glad. 高兴. 认识 to know, yeah, to know. 你 you, very happy to know you, or knowing you I'm very happy. 认识你很高兴, 很高兴认识你. Okay? More casually, you can just say 你好. The same. For example, your friend introduces his or her friend to you, and then you shake hands, right? And in the meantime, you say 很高兴认识你. You shake hands, 很高兴认识你, or just say 你好. And the other party, he or she would say 你好 as well, right? 你好 is more colloquial and all-purpose, as you can see. Well, 很高兴认识你 is for good social etiquette. With your close friend in English, you may say, how you doing? How's going? Or what's up? What's up, mate? Right? In Chinese, you may say, just say, 好啊? You good? 好啊? Or 怎么样? 怎么样? How are you? How's going? 好, 怎么样? Right? It's very casual. Then you continue to talk. So if you haven't seen him for a bit long time, okay, you just ask 最近怎么样? 最近 literally it means recently. 最 is the most. 近 is the closest, right? The most the closest, right? 最近 means recently here. 最近怎么样? 最近还好吧? 最近还好吧? 最近怎么样? Okay? So he is likely to reply, 挺好的，你呢？挺好的，挺好。挺 literally means fairly, right? 挺好的 fairly good or not bad. 你呢 and you? It's just like I'm fine and you, okay? For close friend. Another scenario, if you just meet your colleague in the morning at your office, you just want to say good morning to him. You can see 早啊, 早 means morning. 早上好 or 早上好. Yeah. So he will reply 早上好 as well. 早上 morning 好 good morning 早上好早啊. Okay. So actually you can even say hi or hello to any Chinese people. So every one of them. Everyone in China knows that this is greeting. So by the way, if you want to say hello to more than one people, what should you say? You should say 你们好,你们好,你们好啊,你们好,你们. 们 you know 们 is 们 represents more than one people. 你们 is the plural 你 in Chinese. Okay. Lastly, please speak them out so as to train your Chinese muscles. Okay? Please speak along with me. The first one, 你好,你好,你好,你好,你好. In reply, you should say 你好 as well. 你好,你好,你好啊. Okay? Okay. The next one, 早上好. 早上好. Do you remember what does it mean? Good morning, right? Okay. 早上好. 早上好. Okay? 早上好. It's pretty much like you say good morning, sir, to your boss when you meet him in front of the elevator. Okay? So, because you need to show your respect, so you shouldn't just say 早啊早, because 早啊早is very casual. It's just to your general colleagues. To your boss, you just say 早上好. Okay? 早上好. The next one, 早啊早. Okay. Good morning, 早啊早啊早啊. Okay? 早啊早. Okay? The next one, do you remember? 很高兴认识你. 很高兴认识你. What does that mean? Nice to meet you, right? 很 is very. 高兴 happy, glad. 认识 to know. 你 you. 很高兴认识你 ，right？ 我认识你很高兴 ，OK？ So another one would answer 我也是 me too 我 I or me 我也是 too also as well 我也是 me too 很高兴认识你我也是 OK next one Hey 最近好吗 Hi 最近好吗最近 recently 好吗 You good Are you good recently So in response you should say 挺好的我挺好的 I'm fine 你呢挺好的你呢挺好的你呢我挺好的你呢 OK Let's speak along with me 最近好吗 OK 最近好吗挺好的你呢 OK The last one 你们好你们 more than one people the plural you the plural 你 right 你们好 How are you How are you all 你们好 or 大家好大家好 same meaning yeah 大家好 Okay that's it for the moment Do you enjoy the video? If so, please subscribe it or add some comment for me. Okay? A lot of new videos are on the way. Okay? See you next time.